Hi, welcome. I'm George Pierce. Great to have you here. This video is about Spin Rewriter. Spin Rewriter is an article spinner, an article rewriter, and this video is a little bit different than most of my videos because Spin Rewriter is not free. If you're familiar with my videos, I put strong emphasis on free, and the reason is that it's just not good business. It's not good business advice for you to spend money until your business is making money. On the other hand, Fortunately, I'm having great interest in my recent training series. You'll find a link to the first video below. It's an affiliate marketing training series. We're partway through, and I'm already getting people that are making money, even though we're not even finished with the training. So the idea is that once you make the money, once you start making money, once you can afford it, then it may be time to look at some tools that will help you to do a better job, maybe make your job easier or make it faster. So that's what this video is all about. Spin Rewriter is a paid tool. At the time of this video, I believe it's $77 per year. And essentially what it's going to do is to rewrite articles for you. It's going to rewrite the article as close to a human or more close to the way a human would actually rewrite an article for you than just about any other spinner that I've tried. Now, there may be spinners out there that are better. According to Spin Rewriter, it is the best. According to me, it's the best one that I've tried. Really, I'm happy with it. It does a fantastic job. And this is one of two reasons why I'm sharing this with you. The other reason is that this is a product that you might want to consider promoting as an affiliate. To the best of my knowledge, you do not have to use this tool. You do not have to purchase this tool in order to be an affiliate. When you send someone to Spin Rewriter, they are yours for life. You've got what's called a lifetime cookie. Should they purchase Rewriter at some point, they're your customer. They're yours for life. And when they make a purchase, you get a 50% commission, and that is a recurring commission for life as well. But let's talk a little bit about the tool. And again, this is a tool that I use. This is a tool that I use and a tool that I love, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. When it comes to rewriting an article, you can rewrite one article. You can rewrite multiple articles. Also have an archive, so you can go back to any of the articles that you've already rewritten, and if you want to reuse them, so that you can reuse them and rewrite them over and over again. Also, you have access to the affiliate program. They've already paid out over $5.5 million to their affiliates. There is a WordPress plugin. I've tried the plugin. I've got, 10 or 12 paid WordPress sites. It worked on one. Unfortunately, I could not get it to work on the others. I tried it on maybe half a dozen free sites. It didn't work on any of those. I didn't expect it to work on the free sites, but I only could get it to work on one website, on one of my WordPress websites, unfortunately. I requested my money back and got it back instantly. These guys are fantastic when it comes to treating you, right, and when it comes to helping you. They bent over backwards to help me to get that WordPress plugin to work. The Gold membership, I am a Gold member. There are a ton of how-to videos. Now, most of this stuff you can pretty much just jump in and do it. I don't think you're going to need a video. But if you need some videos, if you need some training, some tutorials, there's all kinds of how-to videos available. And of course, support and contact is excellent. This is a recent article that I was working on maybe an hour or two ago, and one of the reasons why I'm sharing this is because the article has got over 1,500 words. Many of the free article spinners, article rewriters, will only do maybe 1,000 or 1,500 maximum number of words. This is over 2,000. One other reason for sharing this is, and it's nothing to do with article rewriter, but it's just going to help you as a content marketer. Once you get over 2,000 words, that kind of opens the doors when it comes to articles. It really can help to open some doors when it comes to the search engines. They just seem to absolutely love articles that are more than 2,000 words. I've already done this article, but I simply copy and paste the article which is already rewritten. I hit the rewrite article, and then during the course of rewriting the article, I do have the option to jump in at any time and manually edit at any time. However, I can pretty much put this on autopilot, rewrite the article totally automatically. It's pretty close to 100% ready to publish. The The AI, the artificial intelligence that is behind Spin Rewriter is pretty incredible. And you see right here, and right here it says generate another unique article. Why I'm sharing this with you is that you can populate your websites with content and do it almost immediately. So with a tool like this, you can get explosive results almost overnight. If you do not know about on-site SEO, I will leave a link below to one of my videos about on-site SEO to help you with that, because posting articles without on-site SEO is not going to get you the traffic. So you can post articles till you're blue in the face. If you don't have the on-site SEO to go along with it, you're not going to get that free traffic. But the on-site SEO plus the articles, the search engines are sincerely going to love, absolutely love your website. And what they're going to do is they're going to send you a ton of traffic, and it's all free. And you can really take advantage of that with software such as Spin Rewriter. Allow me to click on Gold Membership for you, because I am a Gold member. A Gold Membership is going to help you to get treated more like a VIP and so on. It does have some other perks, but the main perk that I want to share about the Gold Membership is the VIP SEO content on demand service. This is a one-time payment. I paid $37 for this. I think it's normally $47. One time. I get 50 articles per month. Month after month after month for life. I get 50 articles for $37 this month, next month, and the month after, and the month after. All I have to do is provide them with the keywords, and they'll email me the article. So there's an additional 50 articles per month. And Spin Rewriter has a 5-day free trial, and then after that they still have a 30-day money-back guarantee. As you can see, Spin Rewriter can really help you to pump out a lot of content, a lot of quality content in a short amount of time, which is simply going to explode your website. It's going to explode your traffic. It's going to explode your email signups. It's going to explode your sales. Try it, and if you like it, and I'm sure you're going to love it, then you may want to do like I've done and upgrade to the lifetime access. And the reason why I'm sharing that with you, and I apologize, I don't mean to be bragging, I want you to know that I kind of put my money where my mouth is. I am trying to sell you on getting a paid article spinner when you can afford it, because I think it's really going to help you to explode your business. You will find a link below to the first video in my training series, my affiliate marketing training series for this year. That training series is based on content. It's based on content marketing, and that series is already helping people to make money. So if you're looking for a way to make money, check out my series. If you like this video, and I certainly hope you do, if you're finding value in this video, give it a big thumbs up if you would. Do that right now. Turn that like button black. Thank you so much. If this is the kind of content that you're interested in, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. And that way I'm going to be able to let you know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success. I am rooting for you. I'll see you in the next video.